Okay, so let's have a look at the 2020 Soletrader question as Heighway, part 1, closing stock. So it says closing stock at cost on the 31st of 12, 2019 was 69,800. This figure includes water damage stock, which cost 10,600. So you need to take that away, but which now has a net realizable value of 15% of cost. So we have to find 15% of the 10,600 and add that back on. So the adjustment's going to look something like this. So it's going to be 69,800. That's taken from the question. To that then we're going to less the damage stock, which in this question it was 10,600. That's also taken from the question. So I'm going to take those two away from each other. And then we're going to add on the net realizable value, which is 15%. From the question, so just check, so 15% of cost. So we're going to get 15% of 10,600. And we're going to add that back on. And that will give us the new closing stock figure then of 60,790. And that figure then will go into your profit and loss and your balance sheet as a current asset if there's no further adjustments to it. So that's working one, closing stock for 2020 as Heighway Soletrader question.